Hey guys, this video is very important because it's the most important video that starts Microsoft Excel, and in this video we are going to learn how we can create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. So to do that, what we are going to do, we are going to first open Microsoft Excel. So go ahead and open Microsoft Excel from a list of applications in Windows. After opening Microsoft Excel, uh, you will see an interface that looks like this. In this interface, you'll see like we have the first option, which is blank workbook, and then we have other option like the existing templates, and then we have the recent files that we've been working on, and then you can see other option like the open, but in this case we are interested in opening a new workbook. So click on the workbook. Of course, you can see the templates which are available in business, personal, and the other things like budgets, charts, and calendars. If you don't have maybe one of the templates you want and it's not available here, you can go ahead and type it. Maybe you want a template to do with education. You can just type education and then hit OK on the keyboard, and then you see a list of templates that you can select into. But now in our today's video, our main interest is to see how we can create a new blank workbook. So to do that, when you select a new option, I mean the new button, then you see this. The first one is called the new blank book. Click on it, and then you see a new worksheet will be open, and this worksheet now is an interface which has many tools. So in the next video we are going to learn how we can work with these tools, starting with the header, the quick access toolbars, the ribbon of tabs, the cells, columns and rows, and other things. So all that will come in the next video. So for now I want you to go and practice how we can create a new workbook so that it can be easy for the next videos. Otherwise, thank you. Let's catch up in the next video, guys.